How to fix if keeps crashing on Poco M8. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device, click power button and volume up button and restart device. After restart device, you will see your problem is solved. If it not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on additional settings. Scroll down and click on developer option. Scroll down and search media setting from here. You will see click on media DRM settings and you will check your software update is latest. If it's not latest, update your software latest. After update software updates, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. If it's still not solved, again click on settings app, click on more connectivity options, scroll down and click on reset settings, enter your phone pin, click on next and click on OK. After click on OK, you will see your problem is solved. If it's still not solved, go back and click on about phone, scroll down and click on factory reset and click on erase all data. After click on erase all data, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix if keeps crashing on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.